everybody. My name is author LIzabeth Mars, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your own copyright page for your book, or your book series, or whatever it is you're trying to do, like write a paperback or in a hardback or an EMAT format. I'm going to show you how to do the copyright stuff. So let's get into that. This is just what I have learned on YouTube. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Sorry about that. Okay, what it is for your copyright page, you want to have a complete blank page. And then this is what I have for Macy's Legacy Fire and Ice. It's a fantasy novel, and you have to have your title right here. The Macy's Legacy has to be the same font on your cover, the front of your cover. So you have to make sure everything matches, and you have to make sure that your author name matches. That way, it'll save you money from having to reprint everything. And then the next page is where you set up, like if you're from, I don't know, Book Baby, or if you're from KDP, or just your publishing company, printing company name, their address, phone number, Facebook page, a website to where they can go and check your stuff out, And then some authors like to have their own, here, let me scoot this down, their own spotlight to where they can put like website link information, Facebook page information. That's where you would put all this stuff. And then this part right here is the copyright page. Okay, this right here, you have to have this little symbol, the copy symbol, and then the year, and then your author name, and then right here it says printed in, and then where you're from, and then this right here is your terms. It's like, see how okay, this is what I put for Macy's Legacy. All picture, storylines, and character used in any form of nature are confidential and should not be used unless it is okay by author or artist. Cover images were found on pickhere.com, and the font I use is font North City and Nyla from defonts.com. If you downloaded any fonts or anything, defonts.com is an awesome website. Let me tell you, they have everything you can possibly imagine. It's like writer's paradise. And then you put the ISBN number. Lulu gives you a couple options. They have a free ISBN number, and then they have one to where you can purchase it. I think it's like $99. They have different ones. And then if it's a series, you put first edition of 3, it can be anywhere up to 10, depending on how big your series is. And then you count down to 1. If you're interested in learning how to do more book stuff, I have several. The reason why I like to choose Lulu.com is because not only they get you on Amazon and Barnes & Noble online, they get you into bookstores as well. Even the little guy. So that's what's important. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this copyright page helped you become a better author. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel, and I will walk you through the process. Happy writing!